Hey guys, it's Jack with Kapwing. If you've ever seen a high quality fan edit or music video edit of someone on TikTok, Instagram, or Twitter, you were probably thinking, wow, these people are amazing at video editing. I can't believe they're spending hours on making a fan edit. Well, it turns out people aren't doing this, and actually there's an app called the Tempo app which makes music video editing and fan editing incredibly easy. And there are tons of things you can do in this app, so today I'm gonna show you how to use it. However, you can see that there actually are quite a few bugs in this app, so at the end of the video I'm gonna show you how you can edit these videos using our free online video editor Kapwing and edit out any bugs that you might have in the video super easily. And I'm also going to show you all of the meme, social media, and video templates that we have for free on Kapwing as well. Let's get into it. Okay, so the first thing you're gonna wanna do is download the Tempo app. Just go to your app store and type in Tempo, and it'll be called the Tempo app music video maker. You can go ahead and download that, and then when you open it, you'll see that you have a 3-day free trial, and then after that, you have to spend $59.99 per year after the 3-day trial. So you're gonna go ahead and press continue. And what I recommend is then immediately before you start, go into your settings and then go into your subscriptions and then cancel the subscription auto renewal for the Tempo app. I'm the type of person who forgets these things all the time, so I just go ahead and do it ahead of time. You'll still have the trial, you'll still be able to do everything. It just won't automatically bill you 3 days later. Okay, so now that you're in the app, you can see that there are a ton of templates. So there's this For You page that it starts you on, and you can see you can scroll down. There's a bunch of edits and templates you can use. It gives you the previews of all of them. And there are also a bunch of other tabs next to it. So you could go to the new tab right next to it. You can go to the TikTok tab, which has edits that are specifically for TikToks or TikTok trends. There's also, if you keep going down, the Cartoon Myself tab, which you can use to turn pictures of yourself into cartoons. So this app is super multi-purpose. However, all of them use the same technique to accomplish what you want to do. So just go ahead and find one that you want to do. I'm going to pick this first one. And then you can see that when you open it up, it'll start playing music with the video, and it'll give you the entire look at what it's going to look like. So as you can see, this one has a lot of effects. It moves in and out and stuff like that. And then you can see at the bottom that it says use now. And then you can also see that you select 5 to 14 materials. So if you only want to make an edit and you only have 4 photos or 4 videos, this one's not gonna work for you. Some templates use only a specific number of materials, some use a range. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this one. I'm gonna click the Use Now button. So you can see that up top, there is the photo and the video tab. It separates your camera roll between photos and videos on this app. You are able to use both videos and pictures. So you can see that I have 7 things highlighted right now. Now I could go ahead and click the check button and it would start editing this together. However, if you use under the maximum amount of photos and videos, then it'll start repeating the photos and videos in the edit. So you'll see the same photo or video 2 or 3 times. So if you prefer everything to be unique and all the photos to be new when they pop up, then I'd recommend using the higher end of the range that you're given. Okay, so I have 14 selected. Now I'm going to click the next button or the check mark button in the bottom. And then you can see that it will start playing with music, all the videos and photos that I chose, and it'll edit it into a great little something something. Right here, here's a bug that I'm talking about. There's this girl from the template that's just in my video. And as you can see at the bottom, it shows you like all the assets, all the videos and pictures. So you can edit them that way. However, her picture does not appear, yet she is still in the template. So this app is a little bit buggy. Like, what is she doing here? I don't even know who this is. So I'll show you how to edit that out later using our free online video editor Kapwing, but I'm still gonna show you all the different features you can use in this app. So as I mentioned, at the bottom, there is all the pictures and videos that you imported. Now you are able to edit these yourself. So for instance, you can click one of the photos or videos and there are a couple options that you can do. So you can use the replace button, which will open up your camera roll and then you can replace it with another photo. Or you can click the edit button in the middle and then you are able to zoom in or out and crop any way you like. And you can also change the angle by turning it like this. And then you can press the check mark when you're happy with it or click the reset button if you don't actually want to do anything to it. And you can also click on a video and then hold it down pretty hard for a second, and then you can move it wherever you want. So if you want to change the order of the photos and videos, you're able to do that as well. Another thing you can do is you can change up the audio. So if you click below the videos, you see in the middle that there is a music note. Go ahead and click that. And then there are a few things you can do. I'm going to explain them from left to right. So all the way on the left, you are able to click that button and it'll take you to the audio library where you can use any of these sounds. However, because these templates were made with certain songs in mind, this might not be a good idea because it might not go exactly to the music. You can also change the level of the audio by clicking the second button and using the slider. You can also then delete the music by clicking the trash can button closer to the right. And then all the way to the right, you see that there is this sort of like undo looking button. It's not actually an undo, but it reverts it back to the original sound. So if you want to put text over all this, then you're able to do that by moving to the next tab to the right, which is this little pencil icon, and you're able to add text by clicking the add text button and then go ahead and just add text. So now it is all done. I'm happy with this. I can go ahead and click the export button in the top right. You're also able to change the resolution. So I'm going to change it to 1080p and go ahead and then download the video. So like I mentioned, this app is kind of buggy. You might find that some of the videos that you export do have bugs in them. So I'm going to show you how you can edit this out using our free online video editor, Kapwing. Okay, hi guys. So the first thing you're going to do is click the link in our description and go to kapwing.com and then sign in. It's completely free. So then in your workspace, you will go ahead and click new content. So then you'll go ahead and drag in your video that you just made. Then what I'm going to want to do is, firstly, I'm going to want to select the video, and then I'm going to right click and click detach audio, because obviously the audio corresponds to the video in this case, and you don't want the audio to just mess up when I cut a little chunk out from the video. And then I'll click on here, and then I will click the S button on my keyboard, or I can go over here and click the split button. And then I will go to the end of this and click the split button again over here, or using the S button on your keyboard. And then I'm going to want to just delete this out of here. And then you can also just pull back the audio to be in line with it. And then here it is. You can see she's no longer in the video. It's just me. And then when you're done, you can go ahead and go up here to the export video button, click that. And then when it's done processing, you'll just click the download button and then it's ready to post. So I also wanted to mention that we do have a lot of templates on our own website. You can click the second link in the description and it'll take you to our templates page where you have templates for social media that are animated. We also have video templates and meme templates. All right guys, thanks so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to join an online community of modern creators. Also check out our Discord so you can keep up with other Kapwingers and the Kapwing staff, and I'll see you guys in the next one.